Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you the question number 5th. Compare the volumes. Day before yesterday we have done lesson 11.6, two questions in the textbook, third and the fourth. So now this question, I suppose it must be in your booklet. Please check the question carefully. Compare the volumes, write greater than or less than or equal to. Now this two figure has been given to you and the length and the width and the height has been mentioned over here, and they are asking okay, which figure has more volume. Now I'm going to write for this figure. Now this is the length L, which is equal to 4 inches. Now this is the width, is equal to 4 inches, and now height, which is equal to 2 inches. And now come to this figure. Now this figure has a length 8 inches and the width has a 2 inches and the height, which is equal to 2 inches. Now what is the formula? Volume, which is equal to length into width into height. Volume, which is equal to length into width into height. Now I am just keeping the values. The length is 4 and the width is 4 and the height is 2. I'm multiplying these two numbers. 4 times of 4, it gives you 16. 16 multiplied with 2, it gives you 32. Don't forget to write the units. What is a unit? Cubic inches. Now I'm going to find out the volume for this figure. Now I'm keeping the values. The length is here 8 and the width is here 2 and the height is also here 2. Now I'm multiplying these two numbers. 8 times of 2, it gives you 16 and it must multiply with the 2. It also comes 32 cubic inches. So volume of this figure is also equal to volume of this figure. So we write like this. Volume of this figure 32 cubic inches is equal to volume of this figure. This is the way how we have to do. Now turn the page. Now question number 6. The same question they have given to you. Okay. These two figures have been given to you. The same thing they are telling. Compare the figures and find out whose volume is greater. Now again here also we learn to find out the length as 9 feet. They have given in the feet, and the width is given as a 4 feet and the height has been given as a 3 feet. Now for this figure, length has been given as 8 feet and the width has been given as a 5 feet and the height has been given as a 2 feet. Now we need to find out the volume of this figure. Length into width into height. Volume, which is equal to length into width into height. Now length, I'm just putting the values. 9 into 4 into 3. 9 times of 4, it will be 36. 36 times of 3, I'm multiplying over here. 3 times of 6, it will be 18, carry 1. 3 times of 3, it's 9, add 1, it will be 10. 108 here cubic feet. Don't forget to write the unit. Now I'm going to find the volume for this figure. The length is 8, width is 5 and the height is 2. Now I'm multiplying two numbers. 8 times of 5, it gives you 40. Multiplying with 2, 4 times of 2, it will be 80 cubic feet. Now you need to compare which figure has more volume, 108 cubic feet or 80 cubic feet. So this figure has a more volume. You need to put like this. This is a greater than sign. See, we have written like this and we have solved the sum like this. Now problem solving. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? It has been given to you. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? As you know already, I explained you about the prism. The figure which has two bases. The down base and the up base is called as a prism. Now the length and the width and the height has been mentioned. It's not looking clearly over here. Actually it is 8 feet. So now we are writing the first. Length of the rectangle prism is 8. Now we are writing the width of the rectangle prism is 6 feet. Now write height of the rectangle prism is 5 feet. The same formula we are applying. Length into width into height. Length has been given as 8. width has been given as 6 and the height has been given as 5. 8 times of 6, it will be 48. It should be multiplied with 5. When you multiply 48 times of 5, 8 times of 5, 40, 0 carry 4. 5 times of 4, it will be 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I got as a 240. So what will be the units? 240 cubic feet. So look over here. When we multiplied, we got the volume. So we write the conclusion part. So the volume of the rectangular prism is 240 cubic feet.